Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Brother Yogi. Here in the picture you will find Bertrand Russell, a great mathematician, philosopher and thinker, who wrote one of the most famous books. This is mentioned here, Principia Mathematica. Dear friends, I am very ambitious. I have always a big dream to be very useful and creative. That's why I keep on reading about the great people who have really shaped the destiny of this planet Earth in different callings and areas. But I was born in such a different family where I was not better than a cattle, and it was very difficult for me to really come to their level. In the bottom line, who is Shigar, is Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy, one of the greatest mathematicians of Britain, and another great mathematician, philosopher and thinker. So what I have concluded after seeing their background and their great success and achievement and contribution to this world to make it a better place to live is they have some kind of starting background. Of course, Bertrand Russell was born in 1872. His mother died in 1874. Father died in 1876. His grandfather also died in 1878. 3 deaths just when he was a small baby. But his grandmother was very bright and beautiful woman who really gave him all the encouragement, motivations, and he went to different great institutions and organizations. Some motivation and some inspiration. I don't know what is destiny, I don't know what is fate. I belong to ordinary person who always believe I am the master of my fate and I am the captain of my soul. Whatever little I have achieved in my life, it is just my personal effort. There was no background, there was no support. But I tell you, you can be something if you cannot become great. You can be a candle if you cannot become a sun. But from your side, you should not leave any stone unturned to be a very useful and very productive and very creative person. When I failed to be at par with these great people who shaped the destiny of the planet Earth, I really took to the challenge to make this world a peaceful place. Because with everything, if there is no peace, there is a war. The earth will perish, the humanity will perish, and nothing will remain here. That's why I took to the philosophy of yoga, where we are seeing united together. Not only for individual body and mind united together, but to join together every nations and really introduce in them the philosophy of peace, joy, serenity and kindness and compassion, to generate in every mind, heart and soul the philosophy of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility. That way I can really save their world who gave so much to the world from catastrophe, from destruction. There has been wars, there has been a lot of man-made problems. There has been a lot of chances when the World War III can start. I really appeal to the world, be like these great people who have given us so much. For this we have to create a peaceful environment, where the people have to be educated to understand the significance of living in perfect harmony, love and care. That needs education, and so it becomes the responsibility of the head of the state to educate their citizens, and not to educate them to be terrorists, criminals, warmongers, because that way nothing can be achieved. We have fought World War I and II. We have seen great demons who are trying to destroy the earth from their evil and devil, greed, anger, hatred and jealousy and cynical thoughts. So this Fakir Yogi, Brother Yogi, feel very tiny and feel very pity on myself, himself, because he is nothing compared to these great people. The people who have given us so much, great mathematics, great means of transportations and communication, a great way of living a peaceful and happy life. That is the dream of this Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, to create such an environment where people should induce themselves in the supreme force of love, affection, kindness and compassion, and they become living legend of harmony, sympathy, serenity, peaceful world, a happy world, a modern world with all the destructive weapons of mass, but simultaneously the most enlightened mind who can really secure living life and happiness and prosperity and peace, to use such kind of vast knowledge which people have gained. Thank you, Bernard Russell, Thomas Hardy, and all the great mathematicians and philosophers who really inspired me to make this video. It will enlighten the soul, mind and heart of millions of the great philosophers who will focus their mind not to discover, invent many more things, but to create a world order where peace is at the top and priority. Best of luck to humanity. Peace to you, happiness to you, joy to you, and serenity and calmness at your doorstep. Thank you, viewers. This is from Virendra Diyar channel, Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, the true friend of mankind, who loves birds, fish, animal, plants like Lincoln and all the greats who have visited the planet Earth.